minutes in to tell us just how warm it will get this afternoon.
Yeah, it's getting warmer by the minute, Jess. We've had a little sun to help the cause. We have that steady south wind, the southeast wind that's been with us since really last evening. That's been kind of gusty at times, and when it was earlier today, barely in the 40s, that 20-mile-per-hour wind is not feeling so great, but now it's starting to feel a little warmer. As we look at time lapse, we've had some peeks at the sun. There have been certainly some ominous looking gray clouds, but thus far no rainfall. Again, as we've seen recently many times, it's a very dry lower part of the atmosphere, and so for us, we call it virga. It's evaporating precipitation. Shows up on radar certainly prominently enough, but today so far nothing has come of it. We're looking at gray skies right now in Rochester. That's our Louis Donaldo camera. Right now on the weather patio, it's 58. It feels a little bit cooler. Winds southeast 12 miles per hour, 54. The unofficial wind chill index, we are area divided, some 50s on one half. Southwest corner, look at these 60s. Mason City now 66, 61 in Austin. The warmth is slowly building in, so I'm optimistic we'll get into the 60s in most spots this afternoon. Some spots certainly higher than others, low and mid 60s for some of us, and some of us will get close to 70, but all of this warmer than the seasonal average and certainly warmer than anything we've had in the last week. 57 right now officially in Rochester. That is about almost 20 degrees warmer than we were at sunrise. We've had some success so far. Dew point 40, some extra moisture beginning to build, and we started the day dew points are in the 20s. That's a measure of that moisture content. When you're in the 20s, there's almost no way to get precipitation unless you're in the heart of winter, but not this time of the year. You get that rainfall and it just evaporates. But we're starting to prime the atmosphere with that southeast wind drawing in some of that moisture-laden air, and that will set the stage for rain chances tonight and tomorrow. Breezy and mild today. Temperatures on the way to the upper 60s. Showers for the early part of the week. Today, tomorrow, early Wednesday. Beyond that, it gets sunnier. And still pleasant, though not quite as warm as this. We are going to see some cool sunshine maybe later this week, but it'll be awfully nice, I think, to round out the month. Gray skies right now. Showers confined to northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin. Some snow up there as well. All of that ahead of a warm front that's now edging its way through the area. We saw the results there on that map. Some spots way warmer than others. Severe weather risk way west of us today. Not much to write home about there, but we are looking at the possibility of some strong storms tomorrow. Marginal risk. That's the lowest level of severe weather threat from the Storm Prediction Center. That'll be late tomorrow morning into the afternoon, perhaps some large hail and some of the thunderstorms that will be developing ahead of the storm system that's coming in from the plains. 57 right now in Rochester. Des Moines 73 already on the warm side of the fence. Omaha 78. Way up north, Duluth still 33 right now, so a lot of variety, and that's typical of spring. Showers come up, maybe a few of those after about 5 o'clock until about 8 or 9 o'clock. A brief shower to 68, the expected high temperature today, which is about 5 or 6 degrees above the seasonal average. Low 50s later tonight, and just a couple of cooler than average days. By and large, though, the bulk of the week looks warmer than average, with some 70s still a possibility by the time we get to Saturday. Future track watching a couple of showers pop up. We see those after about 4:30 or 5 into the evening hours, drying out later on. Tomorrow, as that center of low pressure gets closer, a couple of showers will get going late morning, afternoon. A couple of strong storms possible among those that pass through. And then for tomorrow night and to Wednesday, leftover showers hold on into the heart of Wednesday, tapering off early afternoon. And then finally some sun with high pressure by Thursday and Friday. Those days not quite as warm as the early part of the week, but still low 60s. And rain perhaps late on Sunday with some sun on Saturday. And that's where you get that decent shot at some 70s across the board. 68 today, breezy, mild, clouds, a couple of showers possible late in the afternoon toward the evening commute. Southeast winds up to 25, maybe 30 miles per hour. 51, an isolated evening shower, and then scattered storms tomorrow. 67, northeast winds up to 20 miles per hour, so another slightly breezy day. 7-day forecast, little rain on Wednesday. Sun later this week, 60s on Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday, your warmer day, the warmest of the week. Some 70s there, and well-timed, I would say, for May Day. And as I've said earlier today, great weather to get out and about and you know, take your May baskets around or do something fun in the sun anyway.
That is very convenient how that's going.